And I decided on two things: how to show you how to move XRP from Uphold over to KuCoin, which is where I'm prepping to do a little trading. I'm going to figure out how to use that trading. It's not that difficult, and I know that, so that's not a big deal. But I thought I'd take you every step of the way because, firstly, when you go over to KuCoin and you want to do a deposit, I'm going to blank this out when I edit, but you can, let me go up here and show you. Okay, here's the list of coins that you can move over. Let me see if they have Bitcoin. Yeah, you can move Bitcoin. So I guess you can move anything you want to. Let's see if they take XLM. Yeah, they do. All right. So, but I thought I would try moving my XRP from Uphold. I know I said I was going to hold 1,000 on here, but I'll buy some more and leave it here. But I'm going to move over some for trading purposes. Okay, so here's how that's going to go. Let's say, let's see, 250. Yeah, I don't know. Where are we going here? I need to go to XRP. No, XRP network, buddy. Come on. Crypto networks, there we go. Okay, XRP ledger. All right, so let me make this 251. All right, so I'm going to move, yeah, it's 123 bucks. That's all I'm going to do for now, okay? Now, if you, in case you didn't notice, over here, this place actually requires a tag, okay? Normally, when you're moving it, XRP from your Uphold exchange or anywhere, and you move it to, let's say, Exodus, an online wallet, or even over to Ledger, a tag is not required. So on KuCoin, notice they supply the tag down in the tag line, okay? So that's important because your crypto will get lost. So let's preview the withdrawal. Okay, now I'm going to put in the XRP address here. I'm going to copy that. Copy. All right, I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to check the number, RKB on the end, RNF on the front. Let's see, there it is. Okay, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to get that destination tag. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to check that again. Always check your codes. You just never know when you forgot to grab the first or last numbers. It's easy when you use the clipboard function, but I still check it because I'm old school. That's how it works. Okay, so I'm going to do that. The transaction is 251 from your XRP account. Yep, that's what I want. There's my wallet address. There was my destination tag. Network withdrawal fee is 0. And I'm going to transfer it, and the settlement time should be 5 seconds. Let's watch and see. Uphold to protect you and your customer, carefully manage. This transaction has been flagged as high risk. Really? Oh, come on. I'm going to do this and just hit next. Caution, this may be a scam. Okay, so they're trying to protect me. No problem. Okay, and I have to go over here to my Uphold. Okay, so I'm going to put in this code, 212078. They move every 30 seconds, so I'm not worried about you writing that down and getting in my account. I don't worry about that kind of stuff. I should. I take all the protections that I do. I blur out stuff when I'm working on these kinds of things. Okay, so it is gone from my account. You can see I'm back down to 697, and we're going to go over here. I'm going to hit refresh, and let's see if it arrived. Let's go in my, where am I going? Okay, well, let's go in my main account and overview. All right, has it arrived yet? Nope. And it should be here in 5 seconds. So let's see if that has occurred. Nope, not yet. Let's see when this occurs. Okay, let's see if transaction went through. Activity, here we go. Okay, withdrew to XRP Ledger Network. Right. So we should see 251 XRP come over here at some point. And there it is. So now I have XRP. I have $90 worth of XDC over here. I think what I'm going to do is buy some XRP and more XDC and bring it on over here and trade a bit. So I will be recording that as the process goes on. And thanks for, coming around and sharing this process with me. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I do, and that's it. You can always do your own research. You can always hit me up for a private one-on-one session. That's zendevon@gmail.com. Please put crypto in all uppercase letters in the subject line, and I will get back to you, and we'll schedule that up. I get paid via Zelle or Venmo. It's $97 for an hour, and we do it via Zoom. You can share your screens. We can move crypto from one exchange to another. We can do any number of things. So just let me know. You can also shoot me a list of just overall questions if you're a newbie, or even if you're intermediate. A list of questions that might occur to you about how things work and blah, blah, blah. I'll be making much more videos on several things: trading, blockchain technology, XRP, where it's going, all those things. So just stick with me, stay tuned, and we'll take this ride together. Thanks so much for being with me, and hit that bell notification. Also hit subscribe, bell notification, and if you could give me a thumbs up on this video, I would truly appreciate it. Helps the algorithm and gets other people to see it that are seeking. Okay, and so we want to help people that are seeking knowledge, right? Love y'all. See you on the next video. Ciao for now.